Are you ready to streamline your product management process and get the most out of Jira? In this video, I'll walk you through the essentials of setting up Jira for product management, perfect for product teams who want to stay organized, collaborate efficiently, and deliver awesome results. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own customized product management workspace in Jira, tailored to fit your team's unique needs. Let's jump right in. First, open up Jira and head over to the Spaces section on the left-hand navigation menu. Think of Spaces in Jira like your team's digital workroom, a dedicated place where everything related to your product management lives. Once you're in Spaces, look for the big plus button. It should be near the top or maybe at the corner. Clicking. This is how you'll create a new space just for your product management workflow. After you've clicked the plus button, Jira will show you a selection of templates. Templates are a fantastic way to save time and avoid reinventing the wheel. You don't have to build everything from scratch. Here, you'll want to find and select the product management template. Jira's template is designed specifically with product teams in mind, including boards, issue types, and tracking fields that align with your day-to-day tasks, whether that's road mapping, backlogs, or sprint planning. Once you select the product management template, Jira will prompt you to name your new space. This is your chance to make it unique to your team or product. You might want to go with something clear and specific, like Growth Team 2025 or Mobile App Roadmap. A good, descriptive name makes it easy for everyone in your organization to find the right space later on. Just type your chosen name in the designated box. Now, go ahead and hit Create. Jira will build out your new space in just a few seconds. Don't worry if there's a brief pause. Let it do its thing. Behind the scenes, Jira is setting up powerful boards, sample product backlogs, and helpful pages for your team. When your new product management space opens up, you'll see the default layout created for you. At this point, you get to make it your own. Every team and every product is different, so customization is key. Maybe you want to adjust the columns in your Kanban board to match your team's workflow, or add new issue types like user story or bug. You can drag and drop elements, edit the default text, and even invite your teammates to start collaborating right away. For example, if you know your team needs to track OKRs or share meeting notes, add pages or sections specifically for that purpose. This is your team's hub, so tweak it to suit how you work best. If you ever feel stuck, remember, it's totally normal at first. Spend a little time clicking around and getting familiar with the tools. Jira can do a lot, but you don't have to master everything all at once. Start with the basics, and you can always customize further as your product and process evolve. And that's it. You've just created a product management space in Jira, using tools and templates designed to help your team work smarter together. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss out on our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your product management journey in Jira.